Imagine living an entire week on just $100. Sounds impossible, right? Let's see how it can actually work. Step 1. Break it down first. $100 for 7 days means about $14 a day. That's all you get for food, transportation, and everything else. No cheating, no dipping into savings. Every dollar counts. Step 2. Set the rules. No outside help. No using what's already in your fridge or pantry. And yes, coffee counts. This isn't about suffering. It's about learning how to control spending and make smarter choices. Step 3. Plan the budget. Here's the breakdown. Food, $60 for the week. That's around $8.50 a day. Transportation, $20, bus, subway, gas for short trips. Emergency fund, $10, just in case. Everything else, $10. That's it. The challenge forces you to think, what do I really need? Step 4. Shop smart. Forget the fancy brands. Go for rice, beans, eggs, oats, cheap and filling. Frozen veggies, cheaper than fresh but still healthy. Discounted fruits, perfect for snacks. Pro tip, buy in bulk and check out local discount stores or farmers markets. Step 5. Live it out. Here's what a day might look like. Breakfast, oats with banana, 50 cents. Lunch, rice, beans, and veggies, $2. Dinner, eggs and toast, $1.50. That's $4 for food. Add $2 for transportation, and you're still under $7 for the day. What happens after 7 days? You'll realize how much money we waste without thinking, how creativity kicks in when resources are limited, that you don't need a lot to survive and even thrive. Challenge for you. Could you do this for a week? Drop yes in the comments if you'd try it. And if you want me to share a full $100 shopping list and meal plan, let me know.